Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Here is a good example of a 1966 Ford Mustang Pony, which are very, very nicely done. Nice chrome bumpers, LED headlights, fiberglass hood with the scoop, nice American racing wheels with front disc brakes. It's got a gorgeous black paint with a little pearl, blue pearl. Here again, the stand is gorgeous, dual exhaust, backup rear lights, and also LEDs, stop lights and turning signals. All the stainless are on the window, very nice. This nice little fiberglass scoops, door panels, interior, new dash. Very nice, very nice. Carpet, headliner. I mean, very nice, clean Mustang. Another thing, as you notice, the body lines, I love that. Also in the back, Mario, I want to show customers it has the right lines, which a lot of times they're covered. Here again, nice engine compartment, 289 V8, power steering. This is the correct 289 C code, which is 2-barrel carburetor, power steering, fiberglass hood. There again, all the glass, all original, with the stamps throughout the factory. Okay, let me get the keys for the trunk. Here again, very solid trunk. Been resprayed. I didn't put the mat so you can see how nice it is inside. Best part, you know, this is what I call a turnkey Mustang. Just, you know, turn the key, look how nice. You can even hear it run. Got dimension remote, inside remote. See ya.